If you are trying to install Blender on your Windows 10 PC but not sure where to start, you're not alone. Blender is one of the most powerful 3D creation tools out there, and the best part? It's completely free. But if you're new to it, the download and setup process can seem a little confusing. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss quick tutorials like this. Let's walk through the Blender installation step by step. First, open your browser and go to blender.org. Click the blue Download Blender button right on the home page. The site will automatically detect your operating system and give you the Windows installer. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file, usually named something like blenderx.x.x, Windows x64.msi. The setup wizard will open. Just click Next, then choose the installation location or leave it as default. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. It should take less than a minute. Once it's done, click Finish and Blender is now installed. You can launch it from the Start menu or pin it to your taskbar for quick access. And that's it, you're ready to start creating in Blender. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more how-to content like this. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.